You do it with babies, it can be laps, or just the kids do it. And this is, I learned this from Randy with, called Coffee Train. And then I changed it to, I changed it to Breakfast Train because I figured the kids don't drink coffee, moms do. But and it's just, it's a train, so the kids, so it goes. Cornflakes, 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 scrambled eggs, scrambled eggs, scrambled eggs, scrambled eggs, toast and jelly, toast and jelly, toast and jelly, toast and jelly, blueberry pancakes, 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 toast and jelly, toast and jelly, toast and jelly, toast and jelly, scrambled eggs, scrambled eggs, scrambled eggs, scrambled eggs, cornflakes, 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 and the train stops.